All right. Welcome to chapter 4.2, day 1. We're going to be doing solving equations with multiplication and division. Homework number 402. So, key ideas for today. The multiplication property of equality is basically when you multiply both sides of an equation by the exact same number, then they are still going to be equivalent. And the division property of equality says when you divide both sides by the same number, as long as it's not 0, they will both still be equal. So kind of like the same with the addition and the subtraction property of equality. So here's an example that you guys can look at from the book. So that's in your notes. So we're going to go ahead and work out a problem. So on this one right here, we have x divided by 5 equals -2. So what you want to do is you want to get the variable all by itself. So we have to get rid of the divided by 5. So the opposite of dividing by 5 is multiplying by 5. So we're going to multiply both sides by 5. That way you get x equals, and then -2 times 5 is -10. So on that one, you get x equals -10. Let's look at the next one. X divided by 6. So the opposite of dividing by 6, get this x by itself, is multiply by 6. So we're going to multiply both sides by 6. We get x equals 60. All right, the next one, the variable term this time is on the right side of the equal sign. Now the -1.5 is touching the end. That means multiplication. So to undo multiplication, we do division. So we're going to divide both sides by -1.5. So if you have a calculator, you would actually try it out. You could go 3 divided by -1.5. If you get a syntax error, you hit -1.5 instead of divided by -1.5. Your answer should be -2. So n equals -2. Now this one, you have -a equals -24. Remember that -a is like -1a equals -24. So to get that a all by itself, we want to get rid of the -1. So we're going to just divide both sides by -1. That way you get a equals +24. So remember, whenever you're solving for a variable, you don't want to have a negative for the variable. So divide by -1 to both sides. All right. So this one, we have x divided by 3 equals -4. So we want to get the x term all by itself. So we get rid of dividing by 3 by multiplying both sides by 3. And we get x equals -4 times 3 is -12. So not too difficult. Undo division by multiplication. So this one right here, 6d equals 24. So 6 times what is 24? So on this one, we undo the multiplication by division. That leaves you with the d. And 24 divided by 6 is 4. So d equals 4. Okay. And that is the notes for today. So go ahead and get started on your homework. Homework number 402.